Shelly.
That's a good name.
Do you think he'll...
Got a shoe.
Do you think can he stay here and sleep here?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Look, Mom. Look.
Mom went to go get some lettuce.
Okay. Make sure he doesn't jump out.
We need to get a box for him or something.
Put his head under the water.
I don't know why he's back.
His back legs aren't coming out. Oh, there. One came out.
Women.
He needed some water, I think, maybe. There comes his tail. There we go. He was just too dry, maybe. He's swimming. Look at that.
There, look.
Look. Go look.
Oh.
Shelly's swimming.
Oh, Shelly. He likes it.
He likes your pool.